Body-Glo Bio-frequency energy medicine. Do you suffer from low energy, anxiety, a low threshold of pain, with headaches or unresolved emotional baggage weighing you down, or lacking enthusiasm to wake up in the morning? If you are concerned with any of these mental or physical ailments that keep worrying you, why not check out the root causes using our Body-Glo Holistic Solution Program? For the first time in South Africa, 3 sensory magnetic machines will assess your spiritual, physical, and emotional well-being on an energetic and cellular level. First, our aura scanner will read your aura and give an in-depth report on the state of your energy body, including the chakras. Based on these findings, the next step in the program, using a cellular sensory machine, we identify the energy blockages between the brain and the body. These misalignments will eventually manifest as a physical disease if not rectified. Finally, the magnetic regenerator starts the process to realign and rectify the brain-body connection. This enables the energy to flow harmoniously, assisting in healing of the physical body. For the first time, our company in South Africa offers all 3 programs under one umbrella. Welcome to Body-Glo. In order to get a more in-depth understanding of this revolutionary holistic medicine, please continue listening or reading the scientific explanation. What then is the energy body? We know a lot about the physical body and its functions through developments in modern science and medicine. However, there is still a wealth of knowledge to be learnt about the body's subtle energy systems. It is widely understood that everything is composed of energy with a unique vibrational pattern called frequencies. The scientific and medical communities support the existence of these energies and refer to them as the biofield. The frequencies of this biofield cannot be necessarily seen by the physical eye. Consequently, they are sometimes called subtle energies or the subtle energy body. Only recently could these frequencies be measured. For example, magnetic pulses and electric fields produced by cells and tissues on the surface of the skin can now be detected with the use of technology, using electrocardiograms, amongst others. The energy of the biofield regulates the biochemical, cellular, and neurological process of the physical body. This means that any disease you may feel, such as back pain, depression, fatigue, or other life challenges that are the result of a disruption in the energy body, these are ultimately expressed in the physical body in the form of disease. Our cells respond to low frequency, low intensity, pulsed electromagnetic fields with different waveforms. The human body operates in the range from 1 to 160 Hz. Frequencies with which we interact daily, which create dissonances and electromagnetic stress phenomena, include smartphones, which emit frequencies as high as 2.5 billion hertz, or the Wi-Fi, 5 billion hertz. How about Bluetooth or smartwatch and GPS, approximately 2 billion hertz? Stress stimulus occurs when the stimulated frequency or its intensity is too high, creating free radicals. Frequency in the microwave band interfere with vitamin synthesis and create inconsistent structures in the body. Electromagnetic signals are of particular importance in maintaining one's balance or homeostasis. So what causes energy blockages? Well, physical blockages are caused by toxins in food or environmental pollution and other chemicals. Some of the foods which contain toxins cause energy blockages, and these could be junk food, sugar, vegetable oil, all genetic modified food, artificial sweeteners, and various pharmaceutical drugs. Our home or work environment creates feelings of resentment, anger, or negative emotions that could quite easily cause blockages in our energy body. From a mental perspective, the negative and a limited belief childhood program could result in a negative thought cycle, which in turn creates negative emotions. This repeated negative cycle creates feelings of anger, fear, anxiety, depression, or sadness. Every energy blockage and disruption form in our energy body which affects our cells, and these result in a physical bodily disease. Our brain is the engine which controls all our organs, and these can be divided into 3 basic units: the forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Together, the brain and the spinal cord that extend from it make up the central nervous system. So when cells are damaged in a particular part of our body, we treat the symptoms with drugs instead of treating the cause. Well, this is like putting a plaster on an infected wound. Cells can no longer regenerate by themselves, which cause a misalignment between the brain, which cannot send the correct instructions to the affected cells, and the diseased or damaged part of the body. The electromagnetic body sensor is an innovative device that, based on years of technological development and trials under supervision, can estimate the biofrequency emissions of living beings in order to determine which cellular electric mechanisms are defective, fluctuating or hyperactive in any organism. The electromagnetic body sensor is an innovative device that, based on years of technological development and trials under supervision, can estimate the biofrequency emission of living beings. This determines which cellular electromagnetic mechanisms are defective, fluctuating, or hyperactive in an organism. The sensor detects biofrequencies, which identifies the possible causes behind the symptoms of health problems in a natural and non-invasive way, with no interference from an operator and without altering the biological equilibrium in any way. Our sensor magnetic machine scans the entire body, locating the energy blockages, which register on a graph, telling us which part of the body is not functioning optimally. Every cell in our body has a specific vibration. When cells no longer produce enough energy, the electrical value of the cell membrane, which is measured in millivolts, decreases, and the cell becomes diseased or degenerates. Our energy regenerator then interacts with neuronal and organic cells because they communicate with the native language of our cells. This immediate communication has the effect of tuning the cells and restoring both their frequency and energy balance. Body-Glo's healing program is an effective solution for both maintaining and recovering mental and physical well-being holistically. Our magnetic regenerator is capable of reprogramming the part of the brain which controls the diseased part of our bodies to stimulate growth and rejuvenation by aligning the energy body where the blockage or disruption is caused. Every illness, disease, or pain has its origin in the energy body.